A new era in stealth introducing the B-21 Raider. The United States Air Force is about to get even stronger. It is getting a new aircraft called the B-21 Raider. This aircraft is very special. It is a stealth bomber. This means it is designed to be hard to see on radar. The B-21 Raider is important because it is the future of stealth bombers in the US. It will replace older bombers like the B-1B Lancer and the B-2 Spirit. The B-21 has new technology. It will help the US Air Force stay ahead of other countries. The B-21 Raider was designed by Northrop Grumman. This company builds military aircraft. The Air Force is counting on Northrop Grumman to build a great bomber. The B-21 is a big deal for both the Air Force and Northrop Grumman. The B-21 Raider is a big step forward in military technology. It is a powerful symbol of the United States' commitment to staying strong. The world is watching to see what the B-21 can do. The B-21 Raider is not just an idea anymore, it is now being built. This is a big step forward for the program. It means the B-21 is getting closer to actually flying for the Air Force. The first phase of production is called low-rate initial production. In this first phase, Northrop Grumman will build a small number of B-21s. This lets them make sure everything is working correctly. It also helps them control how much it costs to build each plane. The Air Force wants to make sure everything is perfect before they order a lot of B-21s. The Air Force is going to buy at least 100 B-21 Raiders. They might buy even more if they need to. This shows how important the B-21 is. The Air Force believes it will be a very valuable aircraft. The production of the B-21 Raider is a sign of the US commitment to maintaining a strong military. The B-21 is a powerful aircraft and it sends a clear message to the world. Building a brand new advanced aircraft like the B-21 Raider isn't cheap. In fact, Northrop Grumman, the company building the B-21, is losing money on the first few aircraft they make. This was a calculated risk. Northrop Grumman knows that they won't make a profit right away. They're taking a loss on the first few B-21s in order to get the program going. They know that in the long run, they will make money from building many B-21s. This is a common practice with big military projects. The initial costs are high, but the potential payoff is huge. Northrop Grumman is betting that the B-21 Raider will be a big success. Northrop Grumman is also investing a lot of its own money in the B-21 Raider project. They believe in the aircraft and its potential. This shows how committed they are to the B-21 and to the US Air Force. Section 4. A powerful fleet, the need for 100 B-21 Raiders. The US Air Force plans to buy at least 100 B-21 Raiders. This shows the importance of the B-21. They believe this many are needed to keep the US safe. The world is becoming more dangerous. The Air Force must be prepared for any threat. The B-21 is very versatile. It can handle many different missions. The B-21 will be key for years to come. Securing tomorrow, the B-21's impact on US air power. The arrival of the B-21 Raider is a big event for the US Air Force. This new bomber will greatly improve their capabilities. The B-21 has advanced technology that makes it very hard to detect and even harder to shoot down. It can fly very long distances and carry a large amount of bombs and missiles. This makes it ideal for attacking distant targets. The B-21 Raider is more than just a new airplane. It sends a message that the US is prepared to defend its interests globally. The B-21 Raider will help keep the US safe for many years to come.